did?
Pass.
Your cat's on the table, Karen.
Patches!
There.
You get that. Well, we're gonna all have to sit down in these chairs soon because otherwise Patches is gonna dig right in me.
Not
me.
Say hello.
Hello.
So how do you like to work in Chase Manhattan?
Meredith, get up.
You're the only one
Meredith,
photogenic in the family.
Meredith, say something intelligent.
It's better
Say something
opportunity.
More money?
intelligent.
Did it start with
I
more
mean, but
money?
it didn't matter about that. It's better opportunity for me to learn. And
You mean it's a
don't
different
hear it
type of
like
work?
you used to, remember?
well, because I've
The
raised my
sound of
level
a
up.
moving camera.
Mm-hmm.
She's on the table, right on the table.
Patches!
What are you programming?
I'm a project leader right now.
What does that mean?
I have programmers under me. I'm in charge of a project. I'm going to Chicago
Where
on
are
Thursday
you?
night and
On the
Friday
table.
because I have to design the system.
Did you have her in Brooklyn too, or you got her
See.
sent to here?
I have her.
See
Louis came
what
home with
General
all my
Motors wants us to do.
You're gonna get punished. You're gonna be put in
It's
the
a good
bathroom or
opportunity for me,
something.
but I don't
You're
like
not gonna
working
like
in a
that.
bureaucratic,
No?
anti-Semitic place.
Now, what else can you do? I mean,
I know.
that's
I
the,
know.
if Meredith would only have the facility or the quality.
Don't say cheese.
Stanley,
Although we came to the
talk.
conclusion sex.
Hi, how are you?
You have a better smile when you say sex.
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 You bet.
Is this all
Where is the
for,
cat?
Posterity you're
Karen took
recording
it
it?
down.
This
because
is
she was
on your
on the
film.
table.
This is
It's
for
gonna be
you.
on my film?
Down
Baby.
here.
Oh, very good.
Karen's down there with her. The kids are
Very good. Come here, brother.
Down here?
Come here.
Cat?
All right, then, brother. I just want to.
Will you do what?
I want this.
All these years, I treated him like a little boy. I mean,
He's not a little boy.
He was my baby brother.
still
We
there.
slept together, and we ate together, and we worked together.
It took him his,
What does that mean?
What do you call it, car? He taught him to
Yeah, he
drive?
taught me to drive. He
Yeah.
covered up for me on my first accident.
That's right. I never forgot that.
Never forgot that.
I always did that.
Oh, here's Sam.
Nobody
5
to,
minutes away.
to buffer the kids from us.
That's what Sam is.
All right, enough of it.
See the wedding? I got it on here.
Has only had 8 hours.
Oh, you're here for the...